Hello, what's up guys? This is Soel Raman from I Love Travel. Welcome to another brand new video, and today's video is very unique and very special because of today I am in very unique place, and that is Dubai attraction place also is called, and that is Dubai Garden Glue. So right now I am front of the main gate of the Garden Glue, and there is a two categories of ticket. One category's ticket is 60 dirham, so which with the 60 dirham you can see the art park, Dinosaur Park and Garden Glue, and the 90 dirhams ticket you can see the magic park. So if you want to see the magic park, so you have to book with the 90 dirhams ticket, or otherwise if you don't want to see, so then you can go with the 60 dirhams ticket. So you can book it on online. Garden Glue place is close to Jabeel Park. So let me show you what is inside of the attraction of the Dubai. So let's go inside. The Dubai Glue Garden is a family-oriented themed garden, the first unique garden and the largest in the world, and offers a unique perspective on the environment and the world around us. With dedicated zones such as the Dinosaur Land, this leading family entertainment park is guaranteed to leave us in wonder. Those are the ticket counter. You can get the ticket also on the spot. Dubai Garden Glue Park together with Dinosaur and Magic Park occupy a huge part of the famous urban public Jabeel Park. It is called a Dubai Garden Glue Art Park for a good reason. The designers create an unbelievable art installation featuring a new theme every season. See 100 animatronic dinosaurs in the biggest dinosaur park in the world. As all exhibits are made of environment-friendly handmade lights, they make unique compositions without doing any harm to lights. Take a tour around the park and seize the opportunity to see the stunning pieces of art with our own eyes. The Gluing Park enables visitors to enjoy art by day, glue by night experience. It includes more than 1,000 pieces of the created by more than 500 talented artists from all over the world. We can find here a few theme sections that represent captivating installation of wild animals, marine creatures, trees, birds and flowers. Learn about the environment and energy saving techniques as the park shamelessly integrates environment sustainability into its world-class designs. For more impressions, walk through glowing tunnels and take a glance at the most remarkable creations such as talking tree, happy forest, happiness street and My Dubai. So guys, this was the video about Dubai Garden Glow. I hope you people enjoyed, and I really enjoyed because of new things can see there. So let me know with your comments how was the video, and don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share with your friends and don't forget to like. So, and I'm telling you about how you can come here. It's little bit far from the bus stop and from the metro, Dubai Metro. So I hope if you don't have a car, so you can come until the metro like close the Jabeel Park, and after that you can take taxi, or you can take if you don't want to take taxi, you can walk, but it will take 15 to 20 minutes to reach the Garden Glow. But one more thing is very important. It's open by 5 o'clock evening and closed. It's Saturday closed by 11 and other day closed by 10. So if you want to come, so you should come here 5 o'clock. Don't come before that. And it's only the winter season it's open. Summer season it will be closed. So this is the video about the Dubai Garden Glow. So we'll see you with the next video in some other places. Until that time, stay safe, stay healthy. Bhalo thakben shobai. Allah Hafiz.